The 2016 Porsche Boxster Black Edition. Since it redesigned the Boxster for the 2013 model year, Porsche has released a couple of cool versions of its compact roadster. The GTS arrived for 2015 with more power under its belt, while the Spyder came for 2016 as the most powerful Boxster ever built. Now, Stuttgart is rolling out a special edition model that's not about unbelievable horsepower, improved lightness or race-bred underpinnings, but a unique exterior appearance Johnny Cash himself would have loved to be photographed with. Meet the Porsche Boxster Black Edition. If you're familiar with the latest Boxsters crafted by Porsche's exclusive division, then you already know what the Black Edition is all about. Special paint, optional headlamps and wheels, and a handful of optional features added as standard. It might not sound like much given Boxster can be customized like never before, but the Black Edition sports that specific look you're not likely to find in a dealership. Keep reading to find out what makes it special. Continue reading to learn more about the Porsche Boxster Black Edition. Exterior. As the name suggests, the Boxster Black Edition's main feature is the deep black color covering its exterior from bumper to bumper. Both the soft top and the rollover hoops are finished in black for a consistent look with the top up or down. Rounding off this exclusive exterior is a set of 20-inch Carrera Classic wheels, and the bi-xenon headlamps with Porsche Dynamic Light System (PDLS) and blacked-out housings. Although I'm not a fan of black Porsches, I must confess the Boxster Black Edition is as enticing as they get. The black paint fits the two-seat roadster like a glove, and the chrome accents in the wheels provide that perfect combination of aggressiveness and elegance. It's not as menacing as the Dodge Charger chasing Steve McQueen in Bullet, but it's not as sober as a sedan. It's just perfect. Exterior dimensions. Interior. The blackened theme continues inside the cabin with a black partial leather interior, highlighted by an array of chrome and aluminum inserts. The Black Edition also gets a few added goodies on top of the usual standard equipment, including heated seats with Porsche embossed headrests, 2-zone climate control, a sport design steering wheel, and the Sound Package Plus option. The blackened theme continues inside the cabin with a black partial leather interior highlighted by an array of chrome and aluminum inserts. Convenience is further enhanced by Porsche Communication Management (PCM) with navigation module, mobile phone preparation module, park assist front and rear, auto-dimming mirrors, rain sensor, and cruise control, features normally options on the regular Boxster. As with all Boxsters, the Black Edition also comes with standard remote control roof operation, a 7-inch color touchscreen, auto stop, start, sports mode, Porsche Stability Management (PSM), a 3-year warranty, and 3-year roadside assistance package. Drivetrain. Although it comes with a bespoke exterior and a well-equipped cabin as standard, the Black Edition is an entry-level Boxster under the rear lid. Power comes from the standard Boxster's 2.7-liter flat-six, meaning it has 265 horsepower and 206 pound-feet of torque at its disposal. No need to be disappointed though, as the base Boxster needs 5.5 seconds or less to hit 60 miles per hour, depending on the gearbox. Power comes from the standard Boxster's 2.7-liter inline-six, meaning it has 265 horsepower and 206 pound-feet of torque at its disposal. Buy it with a manual and you'll get there in 5.5 seconds on your way to a top speed of 164 miles per hour. Upgrade to a PDK and the benchmark drops to 5.4 seconds, 5.2 with the Sport Plus package, while top speed decreases to 162 miles per hour. Fuel economy is quite good for a sports car this fast, as the Boxster returns up to 22 mpg city and 32 mpg highway with the PDK. If more power is what you're gunning for, there's the Boxster S and the GTS with the larger, 3.4-liter engine with 315 and 330 horsepower, respectively, but these models can't be equipped with the Black Edition package. Drivetrain specifications. Prices. The Boxster Black Edition starts from $59,100 in the US, which translates into a $7,000 premium over the base model. Considering the amount of optional features included, the wheels, and the paint, it's quite a good deal for the buck. Those living in the United Kingdom can purchase it from £46,164. Competition: Alfa Romeo 4C Spyder. The gorgeous and nimble 4C has just been chopped into a Spyder for the 2016 model year, allowing Alfa Romeo to join this small niche dominated by the Porsche Boxster. Offered with just one engine, the 4C Spyder is powered by the coupe's turbocharged 1.75-liter inline-4 producing 240 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Although that's less than what the base Boxster can gather, the lighter 4C is significantly quicker from 0 to 60 miles per hour, hitting the benchmark in as little as 4.1 seconds. Top speed is 160 miles per hour. Alfa Romeo has yet to launch a specific special edition model to go against this blacked-out Boxster, but the 4C Spyder is customizable in many ways. Once on the market, we should see a few limited editions roll into dealerships. Pricing for the 4C Spyder should start from around $60,000 before options. Read more about the Italian Roadster in our review here. Mercedes-Benz SLK 350. Soon to be replaced by the SLC, the SLK has been around for way too long. Despite that, it's still an appealing summer ride sporting that classic, long hood design mostly seen on comfy Grand Tourers. It also doesn't return the same sporty and connected feeling behind the wheel, but it really depends on what you're looking for. If power is what you need, the SLK 350 has plenty of it. The 3.5-liter V6 hiding under hood churns 302 horsepower, pushing the Roadster from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. That's significantly slower than the 4C Spyder, but about on par with the Boxster. More oomph comes with the SLK 55 AMG, rated at 416 horses and capable of sprinting to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. While the AMG is the more expensive roadster of the pack at $70,900, the SLK 350 comes in cheaper at $57,650. Find out more about the Mercedes-Benz SLK here. Conclusion: in the big Boxster picture, which includes the awesome GTS and the purposed Spyder, the Black Edition is just a package appealing to drivers who like to dress as Batman at night. But that's the beauty of it actually, the possibility of having a bespoke Boxster delivered at the dealerships without going through the process of placing an order with Porsche exclusive. Up until now, I've never considered buying a black Porsche assuming I'd afford it someday, but this changed with the Boxster Black Edition. I wonder if Darth Vader would trade in his Buick Grand National for a Boxster. Love it menacing, yet still elegant exterior added standard features unique exterior-interior combo. Leave it restricted to the Boxster's base engine. There are cheaper alternatives unless you really want a Boxster.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.